High mountains go and blow into the heart. Sunlight shines in the sky, fast rice fields. The sound of a bell ringing, the morning of the Tayai, is the sound that tells us that we are still breathing. The land of the Tayai, our land. Mountains and forests, the refuge of the heart. The river flows amidst pride, united as one in the land of the Tayai, our land. Wherever you look, you see a happy smile. The Tayai way of life, simple but great. With unity, we work together. The vast sky is where we leave our hearts. The land of the Tayai, our land. Mountains and forests, the refuge of the heart. The river flows amidst pride, united as one in the land of the Tayai.